Everyone, I am back with NIT Chemistry Predicted Question Paper 2021. Before we proceed with some of the questions, let us see chemistry chapter-wise weightage for NEET 2021. Here are some of the names and along with the weightage in percentage. Basic concepts of chemistry 2%, structure of atom 3%, classification of element and periodicity properties 3%. And chemical bonding molecular structure is 5%. So children, you have to prepare yourself accordingly. So let us see the other chapters too. States of matter, gases and liquids 2%, solid state 2%, thermodynamic 9%, equilibrium 6%. So you know which chapter is more important. Redox reaction 1%, solution 5%, electrochemistry 4%, chemical kinetics 3%, surface chemistry 1%. General principles and processes of isolation elements 1%, hydrogen 3%, S block element 1%, P block 1%, D and F block 4%. Coordination compound 4, organic chemistry basic principle and technique 2%, hydrocarbons 3%. Haloalkanes and haloarenes 1%, alcohols, phenols and ethers are 8%. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids 3%, organic chemistry containing nitrogen 1%, biomolecules 3%, polymers 3%, chemistry in everyday life 4%, environmental chemistry 1%. So now you know which chapter is more important and which one to prepare more. A total of 45 questions are asked from the chemistry subject in the exam. Check out the NEET chemistry predicted question paper. Few are discussed here. First one, what is the formula of washing soda? Na2CO3. In a protein molecule, various amino acids are linked together by peptide bond. The difference between amylose and amylopectin. The difference is that amylose is the straight chain linear polymer of D-glucose, whereas the amylopectin is the branched polymer. So now children, you must be getting idea of how to prepare yourself. Next question. Mixture of chloroxylenol and terpinol act as antiseptic. So now you know what is the answer. Next. Which compound is added to soap to reduce body color? It is chloroxylenol. So children, please do comment your requirements and I shall try to come up with more videos. Thank you.